Pull-ups are the cornerstone of calisthenics, and if you don't know how to do them, you are missing out on a ton of gains, because there is no amount of bent over rows, bicep curls and pull downs that will replace the pull-up. So if you learn it, you can build tons of muscle easily, and the benefit is you can do the pull-up anywhere you want. So listen up. We are going to divide this into two stages, 1 and 2. You start the second one when you can do 3 pull-ups, because the workout completely changes from that point on. So this is from 0 to 3 pull-ups. If you can already do 3 pull-ups, you can skip to this part of the video so I don't waste your time. By the way, before you start with this workout routine, you should do a decent warm-up. You should activate your scapula and you should do some exercises with resistance bands. Then the first exercise that you do it is quite a way warm-up exercise, but it is scapula pull-ups. They look like this, and you are going to do 4 sets of 10 reps. If they are too hard, you should add a resistance band, like if you do normal resistance band pull-ups. Then resistance band pull-ups, 5 sets, which is quite a lot, but only 3 reps, because 3 reps is the ideal range for strength building. That's why you want to keep doing these 3 reps. If you are tired, you can increase the resistance, like put a thicker resistance band, so you can still do 3 reps. Now, the third exercise is negative pull-ups. We are going to just jump on the bar, as you can see, and lower down as slowly as possible. And do this 4 times to failure. So try to jump up onto the bar as fast as possible, so you don't do this for an infinite amount of times, because if you just pull up, go down slowly, and then you wait and do that again, you can do this like 30 times and it's going to take a lot of time. So make sure to jump onto the bar as soon as you touch the ground. And then the last exercise is 3 sets of 10 reps of Australian pull-ups. They look like this, and you should try to go as deep as possible and as far up as possible and puff out your chest and touch the bar. And you are going to keep doing this workout routine around 3 to 4 times a week. It depends how you feel like it, and you should get to 3 pull-ups in no time. Something that I forgot to mention, as you get stronger, these 5 sets of 3 reps of band-assisted pull-ups are going to turn into 5 sets of 3 reps of just pull-ups. And then, when that happens, you can move on to step 2. Step 2, it starts by 5 sets of 4 reps of pull-ups without a resistance band. You are going to try to do as many pull-ups as you can without a resistance band. And when you start doing like 2 pull-ups without a resistance band on set 3, you can add a resistance band. As you can see, an arrow, you can add a resistance band after that, so you hit those 4 reps. Second exercise, band it. This 3, 3, 3 and times 3 sets is a really fun thing that I love to do. It is essentially 3 regular pull-ups, 3 pull-ups, but only the upper portion, and 3 scapula pull-ups or scapula pull-ups, but you only pull to like halfway. And you do this for 3 sets. And you can increase the resistance band as you get more tired. And then when you get stronger, you don't need to do this at first, but then when you can do like, 7 reps, you can start adding weight. You can add like 5 kilograms, just 5 kilograms, and do 3 sets of 3 reps. And when you start doing these weighted, put them all the way to here. And you can replace these pull-ups with a resistance band with this. And then the last exercise is going to be Australian pull-ups. We are going to do just a little bit of them, 2 sets of 15 reps. Now, thanks for watching. Screenshot this workout routine because it just works. I tested it out, my friend tested it out, we are strong now, jacked as hell, and we pull a lot of girls and stuff like that. So make sure to screenshot this, save it, and do this workout routine from now on. If you like this video and like me and my energy, how I explain this stuff, make sure to like. And if you want more videos from me, and you can also check out my other videos, because they are about beginner calisthenics, intermediate calisthenics, and advanced calisthenics, and also how to build a super attractive physique really young. Bye and take care, bro. You got this.